So I'm walking right now in my Kia. What's happening is when the car is idling on the red light, when it stands still, so suddenly it's like the engine stall and sometimes it dies then, but always it starts. So the first thing to look for is the vacuum link and also sensors, whatever, but I don't have any codes. It looks like all the sensors are okay. So I put my time and check out with this machine. It's called smoke machine. You hook it up to the battery, and the other side is connected to your vacuum hose. Goes to the engine. You see over here, the white one. This one, if you didn't see. So I hook it up, and then I start breathing in because I don't have air compressor over here, but because this machine works on like 9 psi limit anyway, so you can breathe into it if you don't have air compressor. So I do like this. You see, once I breathe, all the smoke goes away from that hole. So what I found, you see these black things? It's like a plug that covers the plug. So one of them, which was this piece, if you can see on the top, I'm gonna try have a good angle on it. You see, it's cracked, so it's leaking from here. So I have a vacuum leak, and because of that, the engine stalls. Very good tool. Hope you enjoy. Welcome to subscribe to my channel and see more videos. I'm more of a computer guy. I'm engineer. I'm do DevOps and cloud computing, but fixing cars is like my hobby. So just for fun, enjoy.